Step-by-step plant protection guide to keep your plants healthy. Step 1. Identify common threats. What to do. 1. Pests. Look for holes in leaves, sticky residue, aphids, or webs, spider mites. 2. Diseases. Check for mold, yellowing leaves, or black spots, fungal infections. 3. Environmental stress. Wilting, underwatering, burnt edges, over-fertilizing, or frost damage. Quick fix. Use Google Lens or the Plantix app to scan leaves for instant diagnosis. Step 2. Preventative measures. Healthy soil. Mix compost or worm castings into soil for nutrients. Test pH. 6.0 to 7.0 for most plants, with a $10 soil kit. Watering. Water early morning to avoid fungal growth. Use a moisture meter to prevent underwatering. Companion planting. Grow marigolds, repel nematodes. Basil, deters flies, or garlic, keeps aphids away. Lady beetle. Step 3. Tackle pests naturally. DIY solutions. 1. Neem oil spray. Mix 2 teaspoons neem oil plus 1 teaspoon dish soap plus 1 quart water. Spray leaves weekly. 2. Garlic chili spray. Blend 10 garlic cloves plus 5 chili peppers plus 1 L water. Strain and spray. Beneficial insects. Release ladybugs or lacewings to eat aphids.